Hi, my name's Stanley. Today I'm going to show you a strategy that has been working for me for several weeks now. It works with surgical precision. The signals are clear, without false movements or noise. During the last session I simply followed its logic and made about $4,700 in profit. And in this video you'll see how it happened. Now I'll show you how to set it up correctly and why it has become my main system for calm and confident trading. My name's Stanley and I'd appreciate if you subscribe to my channel and like this video. Let's get started. First, let's prepare the tools for work. I'm setting classic candles with a time frame of 30 seconds. Let's go to the Indicators tab and select the CCI and the Parabolic SAR. Let's configure the Parabolic SAR first. Let's set acceleration to 0.03. Let's set maximum acceleration to 0.3. And in style, let's change the color to pink and the width to 2. And save. Let's configure the CCI next. We're setting the period to 5. Go to Style. Let's set the background to white. And let's set the width of the 100 line to 2. Move the opacity to the right and set the color to green. And next we're setting the color of the minus 100 line to red, width 2. And we're moving the opacity to the right. Let's set the main line to pink, width 2, and save. So the indicators are ready to go, and if you are trading on your phone, set it up the same way. First situation. The expiration time is 2 minutes and I'm opening a short trade for $58. Now I'll explain how to work with this strategy more confidently and clearly. Look. When the Parabolic SAR starts to form points above the candles, this is the first sign that the market is turning down and a new downward movement is forming. This indicator seems to hint in advance that the asset is losing momentum and is preparing for a further decline. And next, the CCI comes into play. The pink line of the indicator crosses the red line from top to bottom. This is additional confirmation that the trend is indeed changing. Such a crossover shows increased pressure from sellers and gives a clearer understanding of the direction of the market movement. We'll see. An excellent start. I'm logging in $53 in profit. So I'm continuing. If you are tired of losing money by copying other people's trades, I'll show you a different, more structured approach. On Telegram, you will find copy trading, daily market analysis, personal recommendations, and strategies that are not available on YouTube. It's free, and I don't touch your capital. The group is almost full, and I will close access soon. So just write to me if you want to start working with me every day. New situation. I'm setting the expiration time to 2 minutes and opening a short trade for $111. I see a really powerful impulse on the chart. The movement looks so confident that it seems as if the market is ready to break through lower levels. Such a development usually indicates that the pressure is increasing and there is a chance that this dynamic will continue. At the same time, both indicators are now behaving in a highly consistent manner. They're pointing in the same direction, thereby reinforcing the overall picture. All this creates a feeling of a strong downward trend and adds confidence to what is happening, although the market, of course, always remains unpredictable. Let's see. An excellent result. Another $102 in profit. Let's move on to the next situation. I see good movement on the chart. With an expiration of 2 minutes, I'm opening a short trade for $1,513. Another powerful impulse appears on the chart, and its energy is felt literally from the first seconds. This movement looks so confident and intense that it seems as if the market has gained momentum and doesn't intend to slow down yet. Each new surge reinforces the overall feeling of momentum, as if this is only the beginning of a larger movement that may continue with the same forceful character. I can't help but expect that the momentum will develop further and maintain its strength. The current dynamics looks really impressive, and the whole background of what is happening creates confidence in a favorable outcome. Of course, the market always remains alive and volatile, but now its behavior seems particularly expressive and promising. Dear friend, if you still have questions after watching this video, be sure to write to me in a private message on Telegram. I'll be happy to help you. An excellent result. I'm getting $1,392 in profit. So let's move on. I'm getting a signal to go short. I'm setting the timer for 2 minutes and opening a trade for $2,000. After a long sideways period, the price finally finds solid support, as if it's consolidating on a strong foundation. After that, it breaks through the boundaries of the previous range and begins to form a steady, smoothly developing growth. The movement looks neat and consistent. Each new candle rises slightly above the previous one, creating an expressive upward structure. This transition from calm to active movement gives the entire chart additional clarity. The signal looks particularly reliable thanks to the steady pace of growth and the absence of sharp fluctuations, which makes the current development of the situation even more convincing and understandable. Let's see. And I'm making a profit. My balance has increased by $1,840 and is now $4,745. Let's sum up the results. An excellent result. The balance has grown from $58 to $4,745. Incredible. And if you have any questions about the method itself or want to understand it more deeply, please don't hesitate to write to me on Telegram. I'll be happy to help you. Well, thank you very much for watching, liking and subscribing to the channel. See you soon and happy trading!